Alright, here's our view. I didn't see it yesterday, but you can see like the front of Treasure Island, right? Or no, it's just a mirage. I don't know. It's cool water effects down there next to Denny's.
Next to Denny's.
Like a McDonald's. Okay. Anyway, I got macaroons. Does this look like $17? I can't even open the box. Robert, will you open this box for me? Sorry. There is $17 worth of macaroons. Oh my god, Las Vegas is so expensive. They didn't even like put their name on the box. I figure if you're charging $17, least you can do is like put a fancy sticker on the box. Jeez Louise. Anyway, strawberry, pistachio. Oh my god, I forgot what flavors I got already. Chocolates, something pink, and then vanilla.
Something pink. Wow.
No, wait. Is that pink or peach? Anyway, I'm gonna eat these. I'm sure they're good. Alright, this is our second stop for alcohol beverages, but this one we're actually eating like more than just appetizers. This is like the best coconut beverage ever, and I really just want to break off that coconut too. So we're at Canito. How do you say that? Canito Mexican restaurant, right next to the what? Canito. Right next to the canal. See the boats going by. You know, for no reservation, we can't ask for a better seat than this. This is our view. And we're inside, but you feel like you're outside. And you probably can't hear me, but look at that. Drink some more of this before Robert drinks.
It is awesome. It is
so good.
Best drink I've had, I think.
So we're back in the room. See how pretty? I don't know if you can see it very well because of the glare. See how pretty? Thank you, honey. He's gonna turn all the lights off. So we just walked around the canal shops, looked around, drank 2 expensive drinks, and ate lots of good food. The forum shops. What's the forum shops? I'm seeing that straight ahead. The forum shops.
Foreign shops?
I don't know. It's only, Robert's like, it's only 8 o'clock. It's been a long day. I've been up since 6 a.m. And we still gotta do some business stuff tonight. So came back to the room. I don't think we're gonna do anything else. Like I said, we have to go over who we want to talk to tomorrow. I can see Caesar's Palace in the distance. Anyway, we got to think about who we want to talk to tomorrow, and we're gonna get up early for that. And look at what's that tower right there? Is that part of the Venetian?
Mm-hmm.
We are in the Venetian, but it's huge. It is huge. We are in one of the towers. It's really nice. And now our dark, spooky room. It does look good. You can still see like me, ghostly, in the mirror.
That's alright.
But look at McDonald's. I don't even like McDonald's that much, and I kind of want to go. Look at that golden arch. Just one arch. Where's the other half of the arch? Alright. Very pretty. Alright, we still have 2 more days in Vegas. Robert, what are you doing? Don't jump.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
Don't do it, Maurice. Don't do it. See, this is all you get to see of my husband, his feet on the ledge.
That's it.
So, pretty cool. When we checked in, Robert said the lady said that we don't have a view. I don't mind this view. Looks like a nice view to me.
Look at the traffic still at this hour.
Okay, so, yeah, I don't know if they can see all these cars coming right there. This is like valet parking.
That's for valet, yeah.
You see how it's curved around? That's all valet parking. So when we got there, it was that bad. It took us forever to and then check-in, I mentioned, was terrible, and we have to walk by the check-in desk every time we go in anywhere, and we just did like 8 o'clock at night, and the line was incredible. It was longer than it was yesterday. So but this hotel is huge, so lots and lots of people checking in, and that is the strip over there. And then the Madame Tussauds, whatever. She needs to get her lights fixed. That's the wax museum. We're not gonna do that. I've been to a couple wax museums. I'm not really a fan of wax museums. Might be because one of my favorite 80 Scaries movies, Waxworks. Do you remember that one?
No.
Like they became the wax figures.
Vincent Price did a movie that had something to do with that. I can't remember what it was, or maybe it was one of the things.
Anyway, ever since then, I find wax figures spooky, spooky, spooky. Not really caring to see that. Alright, that's it. I got stuff to do. Day 2 down. Oh.
I didn't even know it was there.
I know. Your Mirage has a fire show going on. Oh, wow.
Holy cow.
Ooh. I wonder where people stand to watch that, because that's probably crazy close up.
Yeah. On the street, I guess.
I mean, look at the flames. They're going all the way to the back. Was that you?
I think that was me leaning in the window. That does not give me any confidence in the building.
That was weird. Is that, oh no. It's like a little volcano. Oh my goodness.
I didn't know they did that.
That was pretty cool. Alright, there is In-N-Out Burger right there. See? And then there is the High Roller Ferris wheel. We actually did that last year. I highly recommend it. It was a lot of fun. And this is just the strip area. Oh, there's a bakery. Huh. If I can talk about where I'm going bakery. There's a weird car. I don't know what that is. We are at In-N-Out Burger. It is a madhouse. We each got a cheeseburger, fries, and then we had what are these, banana peppers? Look at this little banana peppers I got. So, In-N-Out Burger.
Yes, 88, please. Yes, number 88,
We were lucky to get a seat. I demolished my burger. Still got little fries left. It was so good. I do love In-N-Out Burger.
Yes, 88, please. Yes, number 88.
It was near the High Roller Ferris wheel. So here's the other location we went to last year. You got to drive to. So this was nice. But this is on the strip and you can walk. It's still very busy. I recommend In-N-Out Burger. Alright, I'm reassessing my love of the monorail. So the monorail says it's close to Circus Circus. It's not. It's still like 2 blocks away. But in Las Vegas, 2 blocks is like 10 blocks. So yeah, there's the Stratosphere back there. We're not, yeah, that monorail that just dropped us off, it's supposed to be close to the Stratosphere. You see the Stratosphere back there? Ain't even nowhere close. Yeah. So monorail's good if you're going to the convention center. Other than that, forget about it. Still a lot of walking. We're at the Sugar Factory. This is a s'mores martini. And then we're walking back to the hotel from Circus Circus. And this is like the perfect place to take a break. We also got a huge Sunday donut. So, I drink a martini. Alright, this is this banana split for 2. Oh my god, it's got chocolate candies, the cherries are gummy cherries. So good. I'm gonna eat that now. We're in the Wynn Hotel. And look at that. It's all flowers. It's amazing. whole hallway reminds me of Ghostbusters. I'm like expecting like someone to come out. So yeah, we're in like one of the towers. What do you got there, Robert? What is that?
It's a dinosaur.
It's a dinosaur. It is a dinosaur. It's nothing like walking around Vegas with a dinosaur in the most expensive hotel and everyone just stares at you. Good times.
Good thing they'd be used to seeing them, how many little kids there are.
I know. I guess they don't expect an adult to hold a plush, but it's me. Over here. Here we go. Elevator time. Okay, press the button. Press the button. I wanted the dinosaur to press the button. It's a stegosaurus. What kind of dinosaur is that? It's a stegosaurus.
I don't know. Should be a stegosaurus, but it's a little short for that.
Yeah, well, it was a plush. Okay, gotta remember. This way. This way. Oh my god. Look at all the artwork.
Sorry.
Huh?
So you stayed too many nights.
Too many nights. We still have 2 more nights here, honey. Tonight and tonight. Robert's ready to go home. I'm not, because when I get home I have to work. And who wants to work?
I do.
You took the wrong Cheetos. Anyway, we went to Walgreens because I needed some floss. Thank you. And we ended up just getting sandwiches at Walgreens to eat for dinner. We walked through all the restaurants again. Nothing looked interesting. We're gonna have a huge dinner tomorrow night, so we just both got sandwiches at Walgreens. And my thank you, Robert. He just wants me to eat my squishy ice cream cone. And the main reason is, hello, Dr. Pepper. Finally, like none of the casinos serve Dr. Pepper. It's been hard. It's been a hard trip. And then, so yeah, I got floss at Walgreens, and I guess this is bubble bath. I want bubble bath because the tub is awesome here, and it was either this or Mr. Bubble's bubble bath. So
You passed up Mr. Bubble?
I did, because I did. This is Pink Himalayan foaming bath, restore and replenish. I need some
Mr. Bubble's
restoration.
an American symbol.
The
He represents
Mr.
all that's
Bubbles,
good and right in the world.
the bottle
Yes.
was like as big as a milk jug. It's like, how am I gonna get that home?
At least this isn't a $20 sandwich. That's
No, this is
important.
not. This is a $4.99 sandwich. This is the cheapest food we have seen yet. Some of you might think that's boring. You're in Vegas, but nothing looked good. And honestly, we just want to eat in the room. We're kind of peopled out. It's just like so many people. So we're just gonna relax in our nice room and watch our huge TV. See, this is our room again. It's huge, and just me and Robert. No annoying people. So anyway, that's it. That's what we did. Not the most exciting night, but we did a lot today. So much. So.
How many miles did we walk?
Oh my god, yes. We walked over 12 miles. See, I have the iPhone watch. And see, it has many miles. I can't touch it with both hands. But anyway, keeps track of my miles. And we walked like 12.5 before we went out walking around for dinner. So we're probably up to like 14 miles now. My feet are killing me. So anyway, I'm gonna drink my Dr. Pepper, my rare Dr. Pepper. And I got egg salad. I know, weird. And then Robert just got like, what'd you get? Ham?
I don't even know what it is.
Some
It's
kind-
got some ham, it's got some cheese,
Some kind of mystery sandwich.
it's got some bacon on it.
Bacon. The sign at Walgreens said they make them fresh daily,
Might
so.
be turkey too. It is turkey.
And I bet they
Wow.
do, because this Walgreens, it's like on the other side of the Palazzo, and it was like jam packed. Like they have like 10 cashiers, and it kind of reminds you of like those. What's that store that like being, you know, tells you when your number's up or whatever? Like cashier 1 is ready, cashier 10 is ready. It's that busy. Like the line was long, but we were out of there within like 5 minutes. So everyone was shopping at Walgreens. It's like their department or their grocery store. Anyway, I've been rambling. 3 minutes. I'm eating my egg salad. Thanks for watching, and this is it for. How long have we been in Las Vegas? Today's Tuesday. Day 3 of Las Vegas. This is it.